Hi guys, how are you? Ela unnaru? Namaste. I hope everyone is doing great. Welcome back to my channel. This is Bhavesh Pothraju, and today we're gonna discuss completely about this Rhinox Magnapod tank bag. So let's go into the video. Coming to the main details about this bag, you will be having 5 main zips, and in that one is the mobile pocket. So you can use this up to 6.5 inch mobile phone, and there is small hole here. See, there is small hole here, and with this you can easily charge your phone from keeping it inside only, and you can carry your power bank. Next to this pocket there is one tiny pocket over here, so you can carry your power bank over here, and you can carry some other stuff also. So these are the two zips you will be having on top, and it has the side pockets. This is one side, and the other side is like this. So the same, both you will be having the same thing, and it won't become bulk if you pull it something in it also. So that's what. And coming to the main zip, here is our main zip, and as soon as if you open the main zip, so you'll be having a net part over here, and as you can see there is a small tiny zip here, and you can hold some of the stuff over here, and I don't know what is this. And you will be getting a rain cover which is having no stitches at all. It's a one pouch, it's literally like one pouch, so it resists more. And I have used it one time, so in a town only, where I'm traveling in the town, so it saved me really nice here, and I couldn't see any water around the bag also, so it saved me really nice. And it was a little rain only, it's not that huge rainfall and all, so okay, and worth buying this. And they will be giving these straps. So there are 3 straps, I think. So these straps you can use when you want to tie this bag on your back of the vehicle. So I'll show you details around this, about this and all. So, and they have given one tie thread without any buckles and all. And coming to the main unit, you will be having like this, so which you can protect with this and all. So, and this comes with 21 liters of capacity, and you can extend it up to 28 liters. So there is this extended zip over here, so you need to rotate all from here to down again from here. So by this it will be rising 3 inches, so you can get up to 28 liters in this. And when you rise it completely, and when you are using the complete bag, you can easily fit one full helmet. I'll show you. See, there is a full helmet, this Vega full helmet, and you can fit directly in it. So it goes completely in, and you can aram say, see, it gonna be set inside only, so you can use it like that. And coming to the main usage of this one, they have given you 5 magnets. So one is around here, so I don't know, so this is the first one, and 2, 3, same vice versa you have on other side also. So this, by using this magnets, you can tie this on your tank if you having a metal tank. Otherwise you can use these buckles, and you can tie on your tank if it's your tank is a plastic and all. And there are this bag usage purpose. So from top you can pull it out, and the simple part of this is wearing it into a normal bag. You just pull these magnets into it, and just tie this buckle to here. There's one point over here, yeah, see, you can just tie it over here. So now it's turned into a backpack. I'll show you how you can wear it and all. So I'm just keeping the magnets into these pockets, so which is a very good development from the Rhinox. And see, now you can wear it as a backpack. I'll show you how. So it's gonna be like this, and it's gonna look like this. And the quality is pretty good. It won't even bend when you keep the pressure also. That's what I like the most. and in the inside pocket you can keep some memory card stuff and all. And that's all about the bag. And there is this reflectors. So let me show you how the reflectors work in night and all. So I have shooted the video in night, so I'll show you that. See, now I will show you how to mount this using magnets. So you should remove all these things and carry like this, and just fix it. See, it's steady. I'll show you in detail. See, it's gonna fix it like this. And if you feel like it's moving, so remove it and then again pull it little more extent. So it's very much sticky and it won't even fall. So when I rode it around 100 kilometers per hour, it was stable and not even moving. So you can use it like this. And let me show you the other purpose, how can you mount this and all. And now we will see how can we attach this without magnets. So there is this strap which they have given, and you need to pull like this and take it out from here and just drag it completely. So okay, it's fixed right now, and we'll just place it over here. And same way we're gonna do it for the other side also. Okay, right now we have fixed those things, and extended to that strap they have given this long one. So what we can do is, so take any point over here and do the same way. So I don't know, see, it will be like this. So pull everything from that point and make sure it goes there tight. Okay, tight it there, and you can extend slowly this up to here, buckle it and then pull it completely. See, in the same way you need to do this. See, in the same way you need to do it for the other side also. So like that you can mount here. And coming to the back, so right here we're gonna fix it, and the same way make sure it tighten there, and you get this one here and you buckle it. Okay, one side of this you do like this, on the other side we're gonna take the next strip here and we're gonna tie it over here. Okay, and you can see now we have turned the tank bag to the back bag, like for the bike. It's steady, and see, the strips you need to be tight, and this back part you need to be tightened, and this one, and then you can enjoy the ride. And that's all about the video, guys. And if you guys like the video and like the information, please hit the like button and share, subscribe, comment. See you guys in the next video. Bye.